welcome back to another Supercar Spotter video. What we've got behind me is the C63 Black Series conversion. It's not the actual, but it's a conversion, but they've done a grand job of it. What we're doing today here, we're at the exhaust place. We're doing a middle cat at the Resonator. We're going to delete that and hopefully see what it sounds like before and after. So we'll let you find out in a minute, and let you decide which you think is best. We want it just about right. We don't want it too loud nor too quiet. We just want it on the dot, in other words, because you don't want it too loud where it kind of makes your ears drone. So that's what we want. But yeah, they've done a grand job of it. I mean, if I show you around, it's a beautiful beast. I cannot. Well, yes, you've got odd bits and bobs from the inside that is different from the actual Black Series, but you know, this one is actually a good example of it, as you can see. Just a hell of a beast. I'd say it makes the earth shake when it's on. But yeah, look at this. I think the only thing that sells it to me most is the steering wheel, which looks fabulous. Have a look at this. That is a beauty. Yep. So we'll find out before and after, and hopefully update you with it. So here we are, it's on the jack, and the plan was to take this off, these back box, but we've been advised not to because it's going to be silly loud. So we're going to take these off as well as these two. It's a clamp as far as I know, but it doesn't matter. What we're going to do is probably just cut it off. I don't know what the situation is going to be, but yeah, we're going to just take them two off and hopefully see how it goes. Right guys, we're back. They've done the job. Moment of truth. See what it sounds like. Hopefully it should be a bit louder than before. I mean, certainly you can tell it more when you drive it, but we'll see what it's like at idle. So here we are. Yeah, I can already hear it's burpling ever so slightly at idle. I mean, if we just leave this here, wow, it is a lot louder. It is so much louder, I cannot describe the loudness of it. I think I'm glad we didn't take the back box out. I'm glad we took the two out there, because if we took the back box out as well, that would have been another trouble. But good that we've left it as is for now. It's very loud. Obviously at idle it's not as loud as you'd expect, but it's the minute it hits like 2,000 to 3,000 revs. Before, that sort of noise would only appear around about 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 RPM, but now we're getting that at 2 or 3, which is awesome.